Delhi police have arrested 4 of a motorcycle lifter gang and seized 18 motorcycles from them. The gang, which operated in West Delhi, used to lift bikes and take out their batteries and petrol to sell them off. The accused had a unique modus operandi. They only used to take out some parts of the motorcycle and sell them off. When asked by the police about the reason behind this, the accused said that this lessened their risk of being caught. Police have also arrested 2 people who bought batteries from the accused.
Powered by NNIS.